Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to locate Safety and Emergency options. Over here. Now tap on Emergency Contacts. Scroll down and to add a contact, click on Add Emergency Contact at the bottom. Then click on all of your contacts that you wish to add and hit Done. In order to remove some of them, you need to tap on the same Add Emergency Contacts option and select those little lines or minuses next to Not Needed Contacts. To save your changes, hit Done. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!